light of recent natural disasters in our valley area, Onofreo Home Comfort Systems is choosing one family in need of a new heating and air conditioning system due to water damage. We will be installing a brand new gas or oil-forced hot air furnace system, completely free of charge. Choosing one family is not an easy task considering the sheer number of people affected by this disaster. That's where you all come in. We're asking your help to nominate a person or family you feel is deserving and tell us why in detail. We will take the first 5 deserving nominees to come in for a live event, where one lucky winner will be drawn out of a hat. Nominees can be submitted starting Monday, September 2nd until end of day Friday, September 13th, 2024. Best of luck to all nominees. Please see qualifying details. Also, during the month of September, we will be waiving all diagnostic fees totaling a $175 value for the affected flood victims in the Oxford-Shelton area.